have to share this with you guys. I went to the most incredible workshop yesterday, and I have been to Barbara's workshop a couple of years ago and it absolutely stuck with me, and I stalked her on Instagram and I found her, and then she was having a vocal reconnection workshop yesterday, so I drove down and I feel primed.
You are the light, you are. Here we stand with our fellow man, together in unity. Here we sit with open hearts for all humanity.
So Barbara is a vocal production coach, and she does a lot more than that though. So she teaches people to reconnect to the voice, but she does that through breath and through frequency. And I probably just can't explain what happens, but it's just phenomenal, because it's not like what people would think, like you kind of go there and you do some breathing and some, singing. It's much deeper than that. Like, I was expanded.
Our destiny, light is our destiny. I am the light I am. I am the light I am. You are the light.
And that's why she was in my mind for so long. I was like, I need to do more of this work, because I really am so interested in it and what it can do for people. Because obviously a lot of us can probably relate to feeling shut down a lot. The voice, as she was saying, can sometimes be associated with judgment.
Born to love, born to glow, born to care and born to grow.